guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today I'm going to do something real different, something that I've never ever done before on my channel. I have my hair short. Right now my hair is cut short. I don't hide it because actually I think short hair looks really beautiful on me, so I don't hide it. But sometimes when it's growing out, I get kind of tired. If I don't want to cut it no more, you know, I kind of get tired of it, so I put a wig on. So I do wear quite a bit of wigs. I wear extensions. I kind of do a lot of things with my hair. I'll tie it up, I'll wear a tam, but people always just love my hair. And right now my hair is really low, like it's like probably an inch long right now, and I was thinking about curling it. I'm like, why don't I just film me curling it? Because I know there are videos on YouTube where people are curling their hair and whatever, and maybe you're going through the same thing as me. You're trying to grow out your hair, it was low, you're trying to grow it out, and you're just kind of wanting to go between wigs and treating your hair and wearing your own hair because your own hair looks good. And I do like my own hair. I got real good thick black hair, so I do love my own hair. I'll be looking that way sometimes because the mirror is that way and the mirror is that way, so I'll be looking. This is how it is right now. So I do live where there are no black hairdressers, no black nail technicians. So I've been doing my hair ever since I moved out here. So ever since I moved out here to South Dakota, I've been doing my hair. I've cut my hair myself, I've permed it, I've had peda braid. I'll insert some clips of different hairstyles that I've had that hairdressers did not do. It's me and the help of Peda. I kind of direct her. Sometimes I watch YouTube video and I tell her what to do. And what I do, I try not to put too much heat on my hair because I'm trying to grow out my hair because I have a wedding and there's a certain hairstyle that I need to wear for that wedding. I'm a bridesmaid, and there's a certain hairstyle that I need to wear for that wedding. So I'm trying to kind of grow it out so it can go in a ponytail because I need to wear a ponytail. If it doesn't grow up by that time, my hair grows really fast. But I had a wig on, I put it on Thursday and I took it off yesterday, which was Wednesday. If you guys want me to show you how to remove your wig and you just wipe the glue off with a wet washcloth, I can show you how to do that, what to put on it, and you just wipe it off. Easy. So I just took my wig off and I washed my hair yesterday and I kind of wrap it, which is just brushing it down straight, so it will be straight today for this hairstyle. Because what I'm gonna do is curl it. I didn't even tell you guys that I'm gonna curl my hair. I wore my hair a certain way to a wedding the other day and people loved it, and I'll insert a video of that hairstyle right in here. But I did add extension, but right now I don't feel like gluing in any extension or anything, so what I'm gonna do is just curl what I have on there. Apart from this Ion Moisture, I'm going to use this is called the Flat Iron Perfector Straighten Mist, and it's from Garnier. It's at 450% heat protection, so it's great if you want to put heat on your real hair but you don't want to damage it. You know, if you're gonna cut it off and you don't care, fine. And this is it. So what I'm gonna do is just mist a little over my hair, not a lot because I don't want to wet it up too much because it have this water consistency. I have my curling irons here. I have two. This one I think is a 1/2 inch. This is a 1/2 inch, and then I have one which is, I'll insert what inch this is, but it's not written on there. I don't remember, but it's smaller than a 1/2 inch, so probably that size up to a 1/2 inch. So 3/8, I think it's 3/8 inches. And what I'm gonna do, I was curling my false hair from this hairstyle with this, so the false hair kind of burned, so this is a little dirty, so I'm gonna just wipe it off with a towel. I'm gonna go ahead and just start curling my hair. I have my curling iron. I've had this probably like 10 years because I live out here in South Dakota and I keep cutting my hair, and I always want a curling iron when it's growing up. I know I was saying something, I don't remember what I was saying because I'm all over the place, but this is just gonna be a regular like chat video, so I may get into other things. But the point that I'm making is this is a Conair, but I don't know if they make this anymore, but you can get like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. You basically can get a flat iron for whatever length your hair is, because like, you know, technology has taken over, so no, it's not too much struggle to get anything at all. I'm just gonna start from at the crown and I'm just gonna curl. I'm not gonna curl like it's no special, you just put curls in there, but the thing is I'm gonna kind of curl in a certain pattern the way I know that I want to brush it when I'm done, or run my fingernails through it, because all I have to do is run my fingernail through it, because it's gonna be like so nice and flat. So here we go. I just grab an amount, and you can know whatever you want. And I think I have this, I don't even know what I have this set for, and you may see a little smoke, but don't get too alarmed. It's fine. It's because I sprayed it with the heat protectant, and I'm just gonna use this one until the hair don't fit in it anymore. I'll use the other one. There's nothing to it, nothing special. And you know, the thing is, I've always done my hair, but you know, as you get older, I feel like it's maybe just lazy or tired. It kind of doing my hair to me now, it's not a bother, because I'd rather do my hair and look good, and I do my hair better than most people would do it. So I'm not gonna say it's a bother to do my hair, but I will say doing my hair nowadays is kind of like it's just tiring. I don't want to have my hands up for so long. I'm a girl. If I want to braid my hair, I can braid my hair myself. I've had so many hairstyles that I've done myself, especially since I've been out here. Like back in Jamaica, like you can go around the corner anywhere and you just find a hairdresser. But out here, girl, out here shit's different. So I've just been doing my hair. When you see my hair cut most of the times, not all the times. If I go on a trip like vacation, I'll get it professionally cut, because you know you're scared. You don't want to try cut your hair yourself for a big event, and then unless you know you can do it properly, but you don't want to try and cut your hair for a big event and you spoil it. Let me tell you something that I've learned. Never try new things when you're gonna go out to somewhere important. If it's just a regular, like you're going to the movie, you can wash that off or you can go on still. But if you're gonna go to like a major event, do not try nothing new. I'm telling you this because you know what? It may come out good, don't get me wrong. If you're not sure what you're doing and it's just an experiment, do not do it to go to a big event. I've learned that so many times. Oh my God, like I probably need to start vlogging. Because some things that happened to me, you guys would probably say, oh, she knew that was gonna happen. She's just trying to make a video funny or something. But so many stuffs have happened to me. There were times when I was going out and I wanted my hair. I knew what I wanted my hair to be. Like I was going to an upcoming event and I was planning for it, and I knew what I wanted my hair to look like. Okay, my hair was short and I knew I wanted it blonde. So what I did was I bleached it. I was bleaching my hair for like a month straight to get it. Like I wanted it kind of white, kind of Goldilocks like, and I was bleaching my hair for like a whole month to get it that way. Like every week for a month I would bleach my hair because I'm trying to get to a certain color, and for some reason my hair can never freaking get to that color. It's been more than once since I've tried getting my hair to that color, and my hair can just never get to that color. I was bleaching my hair for a month, every week for a month, and then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do a perm, but it's okay if I'm gonna do a perm, so it's like 3 weeks now that I've bleached my hair, so my hair is gonna be fine. Like I was saying, I would be like, it's like 3 weeks now since I bleached my hair, so my hair is gonna be fine. So you know, it's okay, I can go ahead and perm because I haven't bleached it in such a long time. Child, do not do it. So remind you, it's like 3 weeks since I bleached my hair. Child, I put a perm in that freaking hair when it was time for the event. And if you know what happened, when I went to wash my hair was just coming out. More than one time that happened to me, but this time, and it wasn't even that long. It probably was last year, or this last March when I was going to that dream cruise. Oh my God, it's just the other day. When I went to wash the hair, the Ipa, not the Ipa hair, all the hair just started coming out in my hand. Everything started coming out. It was low, so it was like long hair. It wasn't even as much as this. The point is, it started to pick out. When your hair pick out like this, all you have to do is curl it. like take it down to the skull. Good thing is I did it like a week before because I wanted to do the perm a week before just in case I got burnt. It would heal, so I wanted to do the perm a week before. And I'm telling you, I had to like cut my hair so low and wear scarf to work and a scarf on my head to work, and then wait until the damn hair grow back. It's good thing my hair grows so fast, so in a week I had enough to go to the barber in Miami to get my hair cut. I'm telling you, and that happened to me more than one time. So what I'm making is, if you have a special event, try not to do nothing drastic that you've never done before on your hair, because, or not just your hair, even your makeup. So if you're in a rush to a special event that you need to look good for, try not to try any new makeup look. Go ahead and do the makeup look that you know work for you, your normal, regular, everyday work look. Or if you know something that you always do that work for you, do not try to experiment new palette or whatever. Especially if you're late, you probably have to wash your face off and put it on again. Because I don't know, like those things just seem to happen. Don't ask me why. And I'm 100% sure I'm not the only person these things happen to. I know these things happen to a lot of people. I'm just hair curling and going ahead and just finding them and just curling them around. Soon I'll have to change the curling iron because it's kind of getting short now. That's why you see I'm leaving. I'm kind of curling it spacey, like different. I soon have to kind of change the curling iron because this one now is definitely too big. It's too big. Definitely. But yeah, so how are you guys doing? I've been like going through the funk, to be honest with you. I think I need to change this curling iron now, so I probably have to plug it in back for a few parts, but I'm gonna plug it out now. Yeah, I've been just going through the funk. I've had so much going on, and still everyday things, plus everyday things that is always going on. So it's kind of like, you know, I've just been going through the motions, but I'm okay. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's okay, and you know, if you're not where you want to be in life, don't give up. I'm just using the same one. It's plugged out, but it's still a little hot, so I'm using it. And you know, this curling iron, the smaller one that I just got at Walmart, you know what? I don't really like it. I wish I had brought it back before I used it. And I could still bring it back, but I throw away the packet. I don't like it. It just have a turn on and a turn off, and that's terrible. I don't like that. The reason I don't like that is I can't control the heat. So you turn it on and you do what you want to do, you turn it off. I can't control the heat. So what I'm going to probably try to do is take it off and on to if it gets too hot. Because last time I used it over the weekend, that shit was too hot. It was burning my real hair. And you don't want your hair burned too much because that will give you split ends. It's from Kiss. It's not the best. But one thing with it though, it hots real quick. You get real quick, real hot. And it was cheap. It was like $12, but I don't care if something is $1. If it don't work, I don't want to spend my dollar on it. I mean, it's a pretty small curling iron, and not every brand make them this small. So I don't understand why they wouldn't like gauge it, give it gauge, so you can choose your own gauge. And I don't want the front curl up too much either. I don't even know why I did that, why I curled down there. Usually I don't curl all the way down there. I was saying, you guys just stay prayed up. If there's something in life that you want, and there are certain place in life that you want or need to be, and you're not there as yet, just keep the faith, keep praying, keep believing, keep working, because I know it's, you know, you probably get tired sometimes and think it's not gonna work out. You know, there's a video, I can find this video, I'll add it up here and you guys can watch it. There's a video where there's a man digging for diamond, and he got so frustrated because he's been digging so long, and the one time that he threw down the shovel and walk away, it showed you that the diamond was right there. If he had digged one more time, he would have gotten the diamond. So I always get inspired by those, because sometimes life feel like that. You feel like you've been working, and it's not that you're not accomplishing anything, because of course you're surviving, you're living, you know, you do day-to-day things, but you're not where you want to be. And you might think like it's never gonna happen, I'm never gonna get there, I'm just gonna give up, I'm just gonna settle for this, I'm gonna just settle for here, I'm just gonna settle for working, I'm just gonna settle for working for people all my life, I'm just gonna settle for helping people build their empire all my life. I don't bother to pursue what I wanted to do or where I wanted to be in life. Do not think that one moment you give up is probably like God was coming through for you and you just gave up. So that's what I keep thinking about. I'm gonna make sure I put that little video in. I can't put the whole thing, but I'll put a clip of it where the man's digging. He's been digging for a while. And he just got so frustrated and tired because he feel like he'll never find nothing, like no gold, no diamond. It's kind of like nothing is here. And just as he throw down the shovel, there it is. The diamond is there and he didn't get it. So you know what happened now? If somebody just come and just dig a little, they'll find their diamond. And this is kind of like life too. You may think some people get through before you, but somebody had already paved the way for that person, you know? Somebody will see another person come and quick time they succeed in life. Quick time they get what they want. And you'll be like, what the hell, I was working so long. But somebody had already paved the way for them. You know, so yeah, don't give up. Do not give up. Keep strong. Hold a firm meditation. Don't forget to pray. Pray all the time. I always tell myself that I don't have to kneel down on my knees to pray anytime, anywhere, and that's what I do. Sometimes I'm driving and I just start praying, like, I just kind of sing a little praise, like give thanks sometimes, because that is praying, you know. Giving thanks is praying, because you're making God know that you're thankful for what He's done for you. You thank Him for what He's done for you. You thank Him for what He's doing presently, and you thank Him in advance for what He's about to do. So even that is prayer, you know. Giving thanks is praying, because you're letting God know, like, yeah, I'm thankful. Even if you think it's nothing, even if you think you didn't get what you want, so you're not gonna give thanks. You got what you want, because you know what? You have another day to pursue what you want, because you wake up. As long as you wake up, you're not dead, you have life. It's something to give thanks for. We're so ungrateful for the things that we're able to do and for the things that we have. And a lot of people out there not able to do half the things that we can do and don't have half the things that we have. And we may think it's we may be so focused on just money and success and all that, but that's not just it. You should be thankful that you can walk, you can talk, thankful that you're beautiful, thankful you have food to eat, thankful you have clothes to wear, thankful you got a roof over your head, thankful you wake up this morning, thankful you have a family, thankful your family is alive, thankful your family is blessed. You know, a lot of times we just forget to be thankful for those things, and we forget that God has to work on those little things first before He work on the big personal things. And this is just me saying I've done that too. I'm just talking from experience. This because I be feeling sometimes like, God, where you at? How come you taking so long? I'm waiting. But you know that, you know what? He does things on His own, at His own time. Because sometimes the situation that we think is good for us, sometimes what we really want is not really what's good for us. A lot of times what we think is good for us is not good for us. A lot of times God is creating better things for us. As long as a lot of times God knows we can't manage certain or handle certain things that we think we really can handle. So, you know, a lot of times He's kind of just keeping us out of harm's way and, you know, just kind of protecting us, and we just need to have a little faith and believe. Actually, we need to have a lot of faith, but even faith as little as a mustard seed is a lot of faith. So faith is not even hard. Just believe. All you have to do is believe. Go and do everything else and everything else, but just believe in the Most High. You know? No, don't feel like I'm poor and I'm broke, so I can't give this person $1 even though I have $1. No, you can give them, because you know what? You're poor and you're broke, and you think you're the poorest and the brokest, but they're poorer and broker than you are. Because a lot of times you can find food, you can go buy fast food, you can choose a meal, you can pick what you want, you can eat several things, you know, you can eat a balanced diet. And a person out there so hungry they can't drink some water, they can't eat nothing at all, nothing. So you giving them $1 that can help them with something. You never know. You give a person $1, they go at the Dollar Tree and they buy a pound of rice, and then go boil the rice. They not have to put nothing on the rice and just go boil the rice, because guess what? That's what they have, and that's a meal to them. But you can cook some rice, some peas, and you can eat some steak, and you can eat some pasta, you can eat some whatever you like to eat, seafood, whatever the expensive things is. But you think you're so broke and you're so you're suffering, but you don't think about other people that are way less fortunate than you that are suffering. I don't even know how I got all the way to suffering and all these things, but I'm just kind of just doing my hair, and it takes time, guys. You know, doing your hair takes time. It takes a lot of time, especially if it's this short, and depending on how you want it. I try not to get mine too small because I'm kind of lazy, but just close enough so the curls will overlap a little. You know, I don't want them too spacious, but yeah, I kind of get a little lazy too. Like around the back now, I'm getting a little lazy. I think I say where I'm from in every video I do. I'm from Jamaica, so, and I talk real raw patois. So if you guys want me to do a video in just patois, bring it on. Get in the comment box and get active. Let me know. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. I want to take this time to say thank you for watching me. If you're new here, this is your first time, I hope you stick around. And by doing that, all you have to do is subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. This is a network, like I always say. I post all kind of videos, so you never know what you're gonna get. I try my best to post twice a week, Monday and Thursday. I try to drop them by 12 noon, 5 Central, but sometimes it may be a little late. But if you've been rocking with me, I love you guys. You're the real trooper. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and get active in the comment. Let's talk. Don't be a stranger. I'm cool. I'm me. I'm this person that I am. This is me every day, all day. And everybody who know me know that. Ask anybody that know me. This is me every day, all day. So we can chat here about anything. I do welcome constructive criticism. So if you guys have something to say, don't be afraid. Go ahead and say what you have to say. I respect everybody's opinion. I understand that not everybody's gonna like what I like. Not everybody's gonna think what I think is beautiful is beautiful. Not everybody's gonna agree with my opinion, and that's okay with me. You know, I respect yours, you respect mine. If everybody was thinking the same, just think about how this world would be. Because for murderer, if we were all thinking about murder, we'll all be murderers, so we'll all kill each other every day. If we were all thinking about riches, we'd all be rich. When I don't know what would happen if we were all rich, but it would be nice if we were all able to afford certain things. But then again, you wouldn't have certain people to do certain jobs because they'll be too rich and everybody wouldn't work and everybody be investing and everybody would be playing the market and all that. So, you know, you gotta welcome other people's opinion. So anyways, I'm gonna stop curling now. Usually I don't get down to the sides because I just use this comb. It's a wide tooth comb, and what I do, I kind of just brush it out like that. See, I kind of just comb it out like that. See, I curl the front when I never should have done that. The front was supposed to look like this. So I kind of just get this comb and just brush it out. Kind of just comb it out. This comb is not taking no curl out. This hairstyle will stay for a little bit in my hair as long as I don't sweat it out, because my hair does hold curl, and that's why I don't use nothing to make it too stiff. And what you do, you just shape it however you want it. Whatever way work for you, just shape it that way. Because I mean, what I like or what is suiting to my face probably won't be suiting to yours. And I'm just putting a little gel. I'm using this Eco Professional Styling Gel. So I'm just putting like a little down here on my sideburns, because that's how the hair is cut. What I do when I'm gonna sleep, I just tie like a silk scarf just around here, so it gonna keep it laying down. And then when I get up and I'm going out, I just use this comb and run it through it, run it over it, and it's all good. So yeah, I'm gonna turn around now so you guys can see my hair, and it's all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to get active in the comments. One thing I usually don't ask you to do is share the video, but go ahead and share the video. Send it to a friend with short hair so they can see what to do. Maybe they can do a better job than I do. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at D_optimist. And I hope you guys have a safe, loving, and a productive weekend. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.